guys, and in this video I wanted to share with you our small linen closet organization and 3 tips to help you get started organizing your linen closet. So here is what it looked like before. It wasn't horrible, but it was not the best situation. We had so much stuff stuffed in here that a lot of items were not easily accessible, and every time I would want to grab one thing, I'd have to move something out of the way, something would get knocked over, and it was not working. So one of the first things I was thinking when I was trying to reorganize the space was I wanted it to feel clean and bright, almost like at a spa. Like I wanted it to just, I just wanted to open the doors and be like, ah, this is nice. The first thing I did was I took every single thing out of the linen closet. That way I knew what space I had left, and I was able to clean the shelf liners. I was able to dust underneath the trim on the floor and just make sure that it was a clean space when I was ready to put everything back in. And so the next thing is to actually go through what I had. I had so much stuff in there. I used our leftover contact paper that I redid the pantry with, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it for you in the description below. Now when you open up the doors, the first thing you see really is nicely folded towels, then it's our washcloths and hand towels, and then it's our beach towels in a nice basket with our folded sheet bundles. And if you want to know how I fold our sheets, then I will also link that in the description below for you. But then after that, so below that, then finally it's our bins. So tip number 1 is to go through your linen closet and get rid of things that are old, expired, and especially items that you don't use anymore. I've gone by the 6-month rule, so if you have not used it in the last 6 months, then you're probably not going to use it like tomorrow or in the next 6 months. So get rid of it, make space in there for things that you love now. And tip number 2 is to put some fun decor in your linen closet. It doesn't have to be boring and stagnant. It can be fun and vibrant with just a little bit of paint or contact paper like I did. You can even get bins that are pops of color. And finally, tip number 3 is to make sure that you don't overstuff your linen closet. What we had before, everything was kind of jam-packed in there. Even though there was little systems here and there, it was way too full. And especially in our small linen closet, you could feel it whenever you open the doors. So don't stuff too much stuff in there. Give your towels and your linens empty space. Give it some breathing room. And that way when you try to put things back and take things out, you're not knocking over other things, just trying to get to one thing, if that makes sense. So I would love to know how you organize your linen closet. Is it as small as mine, or are you lucky and have more space? If you thought this video was helpful, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and click the like button below so I know to make more videos like this one. I'll see you next time. Bye!